A lot of individuals are always concerned that if someone tips off or calls ICE and tells them that their neighbor or their co-worker is here illegally, that they're gonna be deported. Technically, if you're here illegally and there's a call to ICE, there is risk that ICE could potentially come and remove you. However, the reality is that covering immigration issues is extremely difficult from a manpower perspective. It requires so many officers, so many individuals to handle all of the illegal immigration that's in the United States, that it's really not feasible for them to handle every single complaint from every single person or every single tip or every single call that comes and says, hey, I think so-and-so is here illegally. So realistically, the chances are extremely low that if someone makes a complaint about just you and your family, that ICE is actually gonna send out a team to come get you and try to get you deported. That's typically not how people that are here illegally end up in ICE custody. More realistically is that you commit some type of offense, whether it's drugs or any type of a crime, you're arrested. Then ICE would be informed that there's someone that's not here, an undocumented person here, and then they may put a hold on you. It's a 48-hour hold. Then they may come and detain you afterwards. That's more realistic than someone giving a tip to ICE to come get you. So if that's what you're concerned with, the chances of them scrambling a team to come get you are extremely, extremely low. It's really something that you probably shouldn't even necessarily worry about. That being said, you're always going to be better off trying to resolve any immigration situation that you're in. So you're better off coming in, talking to us, talking to an attorney that can kind of lay out what your situation is, what you need to do to get yourself here legally, because that way you don't have to worry about that. You don't have to have any sleepless nights. You don't have to worry if you get pulled over, whether you're going to be arrested or whether you're going to be deported. Changing your status here to stay here legally is gonna be the best. After you do that, you'll get the best sleep you've ever had. That's always better than hoping that nothing happens. But as to that specifically, whether someone's has to worry about getting arrested because they tip off the ICE agents, that's not really realistic, and it'd be very, very rare for that to happen. So that's not something I would worry about. But like I said, work on getting your situation here, work on changing your status so that you are here legally to avoid any kind of unpleasantness. For this or any other questions, feel free to give me a call.